Hello guys, welcome to our Excel tutorial. In today's class we want to look at working with upper, lower and proper. I will talk about working with lower, upper and proper. These are text functions that can be used to help you do a lot of things in Excel. Now let's look at a case like this. We have this text recorded here. The text have been given to us in proper case. That is, we have the first character as capital letter and the rest as small letter. Now what if we have been asked to change everything, to convert everything to capital letter? This is a very easy case when you are working with Microsoft Word. But when you are working with Excel do not have those kind of easy steps that you can use to convert this to capital letter. So you have to know the function to do that. And the function to do that is equal upper. Equal upper, open bracket, then this is followed by the text you want to convert to upper, and in this case the text we want to convert to upper is the text we have in column A, that is cell A2. So here we are going to use A2, close your bracket, and that will give you the record in upper case. What you need to do is just click and autofill. You can drag down or use your autofill, double click on your autofill, and that will do it for us. That is using upper. Now the next one we want to look at is the record we have here. They are all in capital letter. What if we have been asked to convert the record here to small letter? Now we are going to use equal lower. Equal lower, open bracket, the record we want to convert the record in B2, so we are using B2, close bracket, hit our enter key, and that will convert everything to small letter. That is talking about using what? Lower. The next thing we want to look at briefly is the proper. Now this record has been given to us probably in lower case, and we want to convert, we have been asked to convert this record to proper case. Now how do we do that? It's the same method, which is equal proper. Equal proper, open bracket, the cell you want to convert to proper, that is cell C2, C2, close your bracket, and then enter. This will convert everything to upper case, that is to proper case for us. So this is how we can easily convert everything to proper case. But take note, one more thing we need to observe here is that when you look at the record here, if you check the formula bar, what you have in the formula bar is the formula. So when we want to do away with the formula and have the record, all we need to do is highlight the record. You can highlight the record, then copy the record. I'm using Ctrl C to copy the record, and then you paste the record. But in this case, you are going to paste special. Use paste special. We can use paste special, select value, and then click on OK. In the other way around, you can do the same thing by copying the whole thing, and then you have paste special, paste value here, which is the same way we can do the same thing we can do using the paste special. So click here, paste value, and that will paste only the value, removing the formula. This is how we can work with upper, lower and Thank you.